Story of Sun, Moon, and Wind. Once upon a time, sun, moon, and wind were close friends. Sun, radiating warmth, was a symbol of love and life. Moon, with its soothing glow, brought calm to the world. Together, they made Earth a beautiful place. Then came wind, swift and powerful. Wind decided to prove its strength, causing destruction and fear. Sun and moon were heartbroken. They decided to teach wind a lesson about harmony and balance. Sun and moon began to shine together, overpowering wind's fury. The earth flourished as never before. Wind, realizing its mistake, promised to be gentle, to complement, not compete. Henceforth, they worked in harmony, creating a perfect world. This tale reminds us of unity and teamwork. Like sun, moon, and wind, we should work together for a better world.